Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Town and Country minivan and I will show you how to remove the steering wheel. This video will apply to Town and Countries made from 2011 all the way up to 2016. Now, before removing the steering wheel, first you will have to remove the steering wheel airbag, and once you've done that, then you get access to the bolt that's holding the steering wheel. Okay, now before you start doing any work and disconnecting the airbag, you have to make sure to disconnect the battery, because you don't want this airbag activating on you. So make sure to disconnect the negative battery terminal. Okay, so once you have the battery disconnected, you can proceed to remove the airbag. Now the airbag is being held by two 10mm bolts. One will be here on this side, just behind this small cover, and the other one on the other side of the steering wheel, behind this cover right here. Okay, now to remove these covers you will need some kind of a small flat screwdriver or anything similar. Now somebody was trying to do this already in the past. This can be tricky to pop out. Now you can pop it out just through here or just get inside here. Okay, so this is the idea. These covers have a couple of these plastic clips which you want to remove. And now you will get access to a 10mm bolt. You want to do the same thing on the other side. Once these are off, then you want to, just like I said, remove those two bolts. These are the screws, and once you have removed them, there is nothing else holding this airbag in place. You can gently pull it out straight towards yourself. And now the only thing left to do is disconnect the airbag. Okay, now to do that, first you'll have two connections right here, the black one and the yellow one. So I'll try to zoom this in. You'll have like two small clips, one on this side, one on the opposite side. So you want to press them at the same time and lift this up. You see? Just like that. I'll try to show you one more time. If I zoom it in. So you see one clip here and one clip on the other side. So you just want to press them together and pull out. Same thing with the other one. Now, if you cannot do it with your fingers, you'll have to use something like a small pliers or anything you find handy. Okay, this is that one, and now you still have this black one right here. This one you just have to pull out. And this is how you can remove the front driver's steering wheel airbag on 2013 Chrysler Town and Country. Once you have the airbag out, now you'll get access to the bolt that's holding the steering wheel in place. This will be a 13mm bolt, but before you go to remove it, you'll want to disconnect this connector right here. So you'll have like one small clip on the bottom. You want to press it and pull these wires out. Just like this. So the next thing, you want to remove this 13mm bolt holding the steering wheel. Once you have the bolt out, now comes the fun part. These steering wheels often like to get kind of stuck. So if you are lucky, you'll be able just to kind of wiggle it off, right? Just try tapping it on this side, upper side, try hitting it here, and if you're lucky you'll be able to get it off. But sometimes on some vehicles you'll have to use like a special steering wheel removal tool which will separate the steering wheel, right? So that's something I cannot help you with. So like I said, try hitting it from all the sides, and if you're lucky, try to wiggle it you'll get that steering wheel off, right? I'll have to use both of my hands and hopefully I'll be able to do it. If not, I have a steering wheel removal tool which I will have to find somewhere and use it to remove the steering wheel. Okay, so after a bit of a struggle I was able to loosen up the steering wheel so I can remove it now. I didn't have to use the tool, but again I couldn't pull it off just with my hands. So what I did, I have a rubber mallet and I was hitting it quite hard all around the steering wheel, right, to loosen it up. So all around. And because the rubber mallet will not damage the steering wheel, right? But still, if you can't remove it, you'll have to buy or rent a tool. Since I couldn't find mine, this is what I used. Okay, and one more tip. Let me zoom it in. Also, before you remove the steering wheel, you will see like a small dot right here, and that's the alignment dot. So what you want to do, you want to mark your steering wheel as well. So once you are installing the steering wheel back, you just want to align these two dots, right? And that way you'll make sure that the steering wheel is actually straight. And also, when you're pulling out the steering wheel, make sure to be careful on these wires because they have to pass through this small opening right here. Okay, and this is how you can remove the steering wheel on a Chrysler Town and Country minivan. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.